My grandmother used to always tell me, baby, don't talk about it until it's done. Do not talk about it until it's done, because everyone does not have your best interests at heart, and some people operate in foul spirits. They operate with malicious hearts. So if you have something that you are working towards, you have something that's important to you, you have something that's a vision in your mind, sometimes it's important to keep it to yourself until it's done, because the enemy will do everything in his power to try to hinder and stop you from doing what you are supposed to do.
Excuse me.
Hello, darling. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lexi Lou. Honey, I just had to open this vlog up talking about the goodness of God, okay? As you guys know, I am getting ready to go on our honeymoon, and you know with traveling comes a lot of stress because you have to prepare, and if you have traveled out of the country, then you know that going through customs and TSA and all of those things are very stressful and very agitating. And with it being our honeymoon, honey, I want to be over the moon. So I wanted to make this process as simplified and as carefree as we possibly can. So if you have traveled outside of the country, then you know that when you're traveling and going through the TSA pre-checks and customs like that, it's very good in your interest if you have global entry. So global entry makes your process a lot smoother. It makes you be able to go through customs and things a lot smoother as you travel throughout the airports, which is what we want. It is also a process that has you jumping through hoops and hurdles to get this said global entry. You have to go through the government site, apply for it, the application has to be approved, and then once your application is approved, it is conditionally approved, which means from there you have to have a in-person interview where they ask you questions, take your fingerprints, take a picture, all of the things. But the thing about this global entry, it is very hard to get an appointment, okay? So when we were speaking with our travel agent and I told her we are going to go through the process and get the global entry because I want this to be as seamless as possible so I could be in the bliss and in the feels and all of the things, right? So we go through this whole process and then get to the point to where we do an in-person interview to schedule. Honey, there is nowhere remotely close, that has availability, and this is a common thing with global entry. Next available scheduling for our global entry interview wasn't until 2025. That doesn't do us any good. We're going on our honeymoon next month. So I was stressed out. I was frustrated. I kept going back through the process trying to find another appointment. I finally just like, okay, well, let me just go ahead and schedule it out until 2025, and the next available appointment wasn't until April 2025. So I went ahead and scheduled our appointments for that time. And through my frustration, you know, like the next day I'm on the phone with my mom and I'm going through the fields and I'm telling her about my frustration with this whole process. And in the midst of me complaining, I stop and I say to my mom, I said, you know what? I'm not even going to worry about this anymore because tomorrow has its own worries, and I'm just going to focus on my honeymoon even if we have to go through all the extra steps. And I left it at that. Y'all, I swear this is a testimony to how good God is and how he is constantly listening. And when you just release those stressful feelings, he takes it into his hands, okay? So the very next day, that night, I'm in the shower, washing my face, soap all over my face. I hear loud and clear, okay? When I say loud and clear, like I almost opened my eyes with soap in my eyes. I heard it loud and clear. Go reschedule your appointment right now. So I literally jump out of the shower, soap on my face. Y'all, I had soap in my eyes trying to get to my phone to reschedule this appointment. And as soon as I get on the website, there was availability for the very next week. Mind you, our appointment was scheduled for next year, mid-year next year. You can't tell me that is not a testimony to God hearing and me releasing what I was stressing about, because the moment I let it go, he made it possible. So I'm taking you along with me today for this global entry process because even though it was a pain in the butt, God made it possible to work out in our favor. And I made a promise with Him a long time ago that anything that He does in my life, I am going to magnify and glorify His name. I don't care if it's big, if it's small, a win is a win, and Jesus did it. And let me just say, before I got in the midst of actually getting this message out to you and telling you guys about this testimony, the enemy was coming at me, okay? The enemy was trying to stop me from getting this message to you. He was trying to throw me off my game to the point to where I did not want to record today. But we don't play them games in the Holy Spirit, and God don't play about me. So, in the midst of the struggle, we're going to go through this global process, and I'm going to take you with me.
Baby, that's true. Ooh, from here, don't be confused. The way is clear, and if you want it, you got it forever. Oh, this love will last.
So we are back home. Let me just say, the whole process from stepping into the door was so seamless, so easy. Everyone was so nice. The vibes were so calm, and it was a very pleasant experience. Even though we had to drive a couple hours, getting into the actual enrollment center and getting the whole process done took maybe a minute for each of us. So we drove a couple hours for a very quick minute interview, but that is okay. So everything is officially taken care of. Everything is squared away. Hubby is okay. We are going on our honeymoon, and your girl is ready. I have an order for Rosie B.
Daddy told me what is this a mug, but that's a baby bear?
Exactly.
Aww.
So that's me, and that's you. Okay, guys, Rosie wanted to do an outfit of the day.
Hi guys, I have my pink Barbie sneaker shoes,
Cute.
my cute skirt, leggings, my cute little lemon book bag,
Lululemon book bag. Okay.
and my sweater, my sparkly shirt, my cute ponytail with my scrunchie, my cute bubble, and I'm ready to go. Bye.
I love it. Okay, and mommy is wearing her DKNY leggings, a little comfy white crop top, some white sneakers, cozy socks, my Mercedes-Benz fleece jacket, my butterfly necklace, my dangly earrings, and my Only Accepting Blessings hat.
And we are ready to go.
Well, I could drop 60 on this bag just to hold me for the rest of the week.
Mom, what's on me?
Lunch is on you?
I'll pay for it. I got these cards. One for you, one for me.
Okay.
So we need 2 meals.
I could drop
I want the lemonade with chicken nugget, and I don't want the fried. I want the regular chicken nuggets.
Okay.
I do not want the chicken
Thank you.
Mom.
Here you guys go.
Thank you.
Later, there's sauces in the back.
Thank you so much. You want to carry those? Thank you so much. We love Chick-fil-A. Thank you.
Why do you?
You too.
but it's all my money left. in the world. I could drop 40 on that bag, but it's all the money left in the world. I could drop 40.
So I can't eat. Hey, Mom, when you want a midnight snack, you never eat when you're McDonald's again.
I could drop 20 on that bag, but that ain't even going to do. I could drop 20 on that bag, and I could kick it for an hour or two. I could drop 20 on that bag, as if there's something better to do. So I'ma drop 60 on the.
Rosie, stop kicking the car.
Didn't wanna start up in a losing game. No, I didn't wanna feel this way. I guess you can say that I'm the one to
You're on it? Thank you.
my friend. You know where to find me.
Pick some apples. You want apples?
I ain't got another thing to say.
Ginger.
I'm just trying to tell you
Potato.
I want something
Yeah.
just friends.
And
What else am I grabbing?
get one of those pear ones.
Okay, there.
And
Just friends. She got something to show.
I think that's just sweet potato. Apple sweet potato.
I'll try that one.
Here, try that one.
I got
What she would think, she wanna let me see it. You know it, you know it.
avocado.
You know it, you know it.
Potatoes.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, I'm gonna count them.
I don't want nothing, I just want
You're the highest of the high. Okay, go ahead.
That one.
Oh, you want to hear some Maxwell?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll turn on some Maxwell for you, girl. Just give me a second, okay?
going with you. And I know what she would think. She wanna let me see it. You know it. Oh, I know it. Baby, I know it. So, baby, I know it. So, baby, I know it. But baby, I know it.
Where in our yard, yelling at you. Why are you yelling at you?
Okay, guys, these are my thrifted Christmas vines. And guess what? They're from Crate and Barrel. I am so excited to use these in a Christmas display. And the island is going to be looking so good. Look at these cute little mugs. I cannot. I'm so ready.
this crowd and the press spread, yeah.
Your breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. It's like a natural tunnel. Who's gonna win? You don't want this, baby girl.
Mommy, now first class me. 1, 2, 3. They have to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, go.
Sorry, you cheater!
Daddy, you're going too fast.
Cause I'm just too
You just want to beat me.
I'm just too fast.
Thanks, dude.
Out and crush it. Mom, I will do gymnastics over time.
Oh, your 40s. Now you're in your 40s.
That was not the same energy.
That is what I call a burger. That is a burger.